In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage TradingView notification. We'll walk through, step by step, how to get to the right settings inside TradingView so you can control the types of social notifications you receive. This is especially useful if you're getting too many alerts, or if you want to make sure you never miss important updates from the community. Start by opening TradingView in your browser and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main chart screen, look toward the top left area of the page. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might appear as a small avatar, a picture, or simply a circle with your initials. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu related to your account. In the menu that appears, you should see your username displayed clearly. This is the name associated with your TradingView account. Click directly on your username. When you do this, TradingView will take you to your account overview or profile area, where you can access more detailed account options. On this page, look for an option labeled Settings and Billing. This is usually listed in a menu, either on the left-hand side or somewhere near the top, depending on the current TradingView layout. Click on Settings and Billing. This will open a more in-depth settings panel where you can manage various aspects of your account, including privacy, profile, and notifications. Once the settings page loads, you'll see several sections or tabs. Among these, find the section called Social Notification. This is the area dedicated to notifications related to social activity on TradingView, such as comments, likes, followers, or other community interactions. Click on Social Notification to open it. Inside this section, you'll be able to view and adjust how and when TradingView notifies you about social activity. While the exact options may change over time, this is where you control whether you want to receive alerts by email on the website or through other available channels. Take a moment to review the available settings and adjust them to match your preferences. For example, you might want to reduce the number of notifications for less important actions while keeping alerts enabled for things you consider critical. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've navigated from your main chart to your profile, opened your account settings, and reached the social notification controls, where you can fine-tune how TradingView keeps you updated.